What's going on, my hard-headed fellers and fellettes? If it's your first time here, hey, I'm hard-headed. It's nice to meet you. Be sure to like and subscribe. So today, we're going on a race boat rally, but not with that thing, because it's taking a little longer than I'd like to restore. But it'll be done soon. We're taking my little bay boat. I'm going to be a lot slower than everybody else out there, but we'll get it done. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all, we made it to a ramp here in Suwannee River called Coronado Springs. I don't know how you pronounce it. The main ramp everyone launches at is Fanning Springs, but I didn't want to watch. I didn't want to run 30 miles to the spot and 30 miles back in a 17-foot boat. I'm not running 60 miles in a boat that only goes 30 miles an hour. So we'll catch you on the water in a minute. Well, it's been a very cold morning, but we finally found some boats. There's a sweet cat in front of me, which I can't zoom into while I'm driving. And we're going up the Santa Fe River right now. We'll see what it holds. I heard the Santa Fe is no. On the left. Yeah.